There's something that is becoming a pattern and we need to address it. That a lie has been in the office for a long time doesn't make it the truth. Longevity is not legality. Now, when anybody wants to open a YouTube channel or have a blog that will sell, one of the strategies to make people get attracted, to get lots of views and comments, is to attack pastors. And I'm one of the major subject matter. I don't have a problem with that because a million abuses cannot do nothing. But what I have a problem is that at the end of the month, YouTube is paying you for insulting me. So we need to have an agreement. Go ahead, insult me, but pay me. If you want to insult me, pay me. Then do the videos. Abuse me, you have my permission. Because 1 million videos cannot bring a true man of God down. That's the truth. Nothing. My life has proven that to you. Media is a wrong means. The man of God you can only bring down through media is a man of God who doesn't have proofs and results of his calling. God, a man of God lays hands on somebody who has cancer. You saw a child brought here that was blind, that the eyes open. Is it that father you will tell that the man of God is fake? When he's seen his blind child who receives sight, he will come after you. So my own now is a negotiation. I'm saying this because some of you who do this YouTube thing, you are in America, you are in London, you are in China, you don't know that we can come after you with the law. I can sue you in Nigeria and get what they call foreign enforcement of judgment through the embassy, to your embassy. In UK, defamation is £100,000. There are some ministers who are even living wrong lives that God should punish. But because of your lies, God is showing them mercy. The YouTubers, the way they lie, even Satan is shocked. You just come up with something. A pastor died the other day in Lagos. When some of us heard the death, for 2 days we could not sleep. Me, I had pains in my chest. I went to Mama's room. I said, why would this man die? How can you be a man of God? You're happy that a fellow man of God is dead. But they put it in the media. They are all happy. Who is happy? I had a program here. People are coming from all over the world. We should abandon the program and go to a burial to make you happy. You know how many of our representatives we send there? But you just go out. Oh, they are happy. They attend. Who are you to tell me what's better to attend? Is ministry for your family meeting? You are coming to tell us how to run church. What do you know? Now, the problem now is they have is miracle money. If you talk against miracle money, you are insulting God. That I will now arrange with people at my level. What am I looking for? Money, name? That I will now want to impress you. Popularity is a problem. It's not even good to be famous. Because once you are famous, you have no life. Imagine, they said I went to America, I collected account, and now pay money. I'm not that nice. So the reason I'm talking about this is business they are doing. They are not out for the truth. They want to please their followers. So you are not speaking the truth. You and I know. So it's business. So let's discuss. Because if you take my name off your lips, you cannot use my picture or my name without my permission. It is called image right. It is my right. My picture is my right. My name is my right. Take my name. Because right now, during April, the Lord spoke to me. He said, anyone that comes after you on the media, get justice. I had it from God. And we have gotten lawyers, even up to International Criminal Court. Stop this. If you want to do business, let's talk. 1 million videos cannot bring down Baba Adeboye or even small me. You are wasting time. You are just wasting time. But do not put my picture on your channel, on your blog, without my consent. You say, oh, you are a public officer. I'm not a public officer. You didn't elect me. I'm a public figure, not public officer. You didn't elect me. So you cannot determine how I run a church. The people that should speak up their mind and their discomfort in the church are the members of the church. In fact, one of them, there's somebody that is in prison now. He has been given a sentence, 7 years. And they are calling me, I'm not saying anything. Another one just did an apology. We are not closing our mouth anymore because we are quiet. We are quiet and you are thinking it's now a culture. You just wake up, hey, have you heard again, oh, Apostle? When Miracle Money started, I stopped it because I didn't understand it. But during wonders without number, I wish they know that when I'm praying for Miracle Money, even me, I'm expecting Miracle Money. Me that pray the prayer. You want to go to America, a country that has structure, that has law, that has intelligence, and arrange something. Say anything about me. You know, he's stubborn, he has a bad mouth, it's okay. But don't say he's fake. Don't go there. I'm not. When some people are talking, I've never seen a group of people that are so coherent in spewing gibberish. So fluent in verbal stupidity. And you now see fellow clowns commenting. Men of God. Now wow. They told you what they want you to hear. I help people. We support people. I've heard them say one good thing about Baba Adeboye. Baba Adeboye just gave 18.8 billion just said they should give to charity. 18.8. Did you see that on the news? Redeem as a kidney center. Free test. Will they put that on the news? No, they won't get comments. Pastor Chris Oyakilome is one time fed over 2,000 children in an African country. The man of God that carries everything he does, he puts on media. That's the one you call man of God. We build schools, we build hospitals. Some weeks ago, some communities came to me and said they don't have transformer. I have to give them transformer. Some say they don't have. The youth service building in Aochi, to God glory, I raised it. I even have we had the coppers. Some of them have a meeting with me this morning. The meeting we have today is to see how we can set up another building. Should we put that on camera? So because we don't do things on camera, we are not men of God. It's okay. I don't have a problem. Man of God, no man of God. It doesn't mean anything to me. But you are making money. Let us talk. I'm calling you now. Don't say I didn't warn you. You want to make money with Apostle Suleiman? If I see my picture, I've told, we have 18 YouTubes that we know we have collected. We have instituted legal proceedings on them. I told Apple, be cutting their videos. Anyone they are saying nonsense about us, be cutting it. If you want to speak about me, speak the truth. You're attacking people. They didn't do this. Oh, they are not pastors. Who are you? Did you call me? You don't tell me how to run a church. You were not there when I started it. Your channel is 4 years, 5 years. You want to protect it at the detriment of a ministry that's 30 years. Take time on.